restoration work today. How do you take this and turn it into something like this? Short answer is staging. Really good staging. Again, I'm going to jump into a time lapse and I'll try and briefly explain my process as we go. Happy restoration. It is possible.
Good finish work begins with good finish thinking. Right now I'm loading up my tube of Czar. This is the filler that I like to use interior exterior jobs. Fills pretty much every nail hole, crack, imperfection in the wood. The trick here is to leave it high and sand it off. Take the time to clean up the mess that you make along the way. It's a lot easier and it makes things a lot more fun. Again, good trigger discipline is everyone's responsibility. Now we're going to fill every possible crack. I like to start on my horizontals and then I work my verticals. These principles can be used on any exterior trim in any profile. This one is a little funky. It's got a lot of details and corners and edges. One of the best things that we can do as carpenters or restoration is to keep the water out. Remember what I said about being friendly to your painter and not making too much work for him? And the ladies too. A little extra sandpaper and sinking your nail heads will go a long way with being friendly with your painter. Remember to take a couple moments to walk away. When sometimes you get so absorbed in your work that you can't really see the problems that are in front of your face. It's better to just step away for a moment, have an apple, use the bathroom, drink some water, whatever you gotta do. Then come back to your business. Sometimes those moments are forced upon you, like when you run out of material. When starting a new tube, it's smarter to start smaller. Cut small off of the tip here. You can always make a bigger one. And remember,
it is possible.